Hey guys, it's Million Dollars Photography, where we capture the moments that captivate you infinitely. And if you are just joining us for the first time, just seeing our YouTube channel for the first time, please don't forget to hit the subscription button and also turn on the notification so that whenever I upload a new video on the YouTube channel, you get a notification. In this channel, I'll be uploading videos here per week, Photoshop tutorials every blessed week. So endeavor to click that subscribe button and enjoy the weekly dose of our Photoshop tutorial. So here we are in this wonderful tutorial. I have this beautiful awesome model here. I shot this image quite few months ago. So I'll drop a link in description below so that you guys could help me give him a shout out. And also he's a wonderful model, so you could have any job and want to give it to him. I'll drop a link in the description below. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create actions. I've been getting a lot of comments on the videos from the WhatsApp group and everything that about actions. So I'll be showing you guys how to create an action today, and I'll also be posting that action on the group, so you can go ahead and download from the WhatsApp group. So first thing first, I want to create a frequency separation action. So I don't want to be doing that same processes all over again. So what I'm going to do is, for the first time, there's nothing here, so you have to come over to your Windows panel and you click on actions or Alt F9. You can close this. For the sake of the tutorial, let's just close this and click Alt F9. So you see it pops up, and you can just bring this down a little. So I want to create an action for our frequency separation. So these are default actions in Photoshop, so we're creating a new one today. So I would love for us to create a new group, create a new set or a new group. So click on that and we'll call this frequency separation action. Or rather FS. So click OK. Then create. So click on this, create a new action. I'm gonna name this FS, frequency separation. So you click on record. So from now henceforth, anything you do will be recorded by this plugin in Photoshop automatically. So now you're gonna do our Ctrl J twice. Ctrl J twice. That's the first process of frequency separation. You come to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Let's leave it at the radius of 9 for the sake of this tutorial. And you come here, click OK. Come to your layer 1, image, apply image. Come to layer 1, choose your blending mode, subtract, scale to offset 120. You have to make sure this is perfect, because whenever you play the action, everything will be automatically done. So you don't need to start stressing yourself of going over here and over there every time you want to edit your picture. So you click OK and come to your linear mode. Your blending mode, and just linear light. You come over here holding your Ctrl G. I name this frequency separation. So that's it. frequency separation. So you're done for the frequency separation layer, so you can just come over here and click on stop, and that's it. So you can delete this now and come over to your actions. You come to frequency separation, you open it up and you press play. See it's gonna do everything automatically for you. See, frequency separation. So you don't need to start going over and doing all these things again. All you need to come over here and you start doing your frequency separation using your mixer brush and your clone stamp tool or spot alien brush, as you may. So that's how to create an action in Photoshop. Yeah, frequency separation action in Photoshop. I'll be dropping a link in the description, or rather the Photoshop action in the WhatsApp group, where you can download it. So every time, so you don't have to, if you don't want to go through the stress of doing the action, you can just download it and everything will be set. All you need to do is just follow the settings and that's it. So thank you so much guys for staying to the end of this wonderful tutorial. Trust me, it's gonna be fun when you're creating your actions. You can use it to create your color grading preset too. Same way, same thing. All you need to do is just apply the selective color presets and that's all. But very soon I'll be doing another video on how you can do your color grading presets in Photoshop, how to save them and be creating constant color in your images. So thank you so much guys for staying to the end of this video. Have a blessed day and thank you so much. Please don't forget to hit the subscription button and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever we upload a video you get notified. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.